Patuka mo sa ano? Patuka mo sa kamay.
Yan, aray. Masakit yung paglalaki.
Kapag po may nakita tayo, pinag-ipapatry ko muna. Ba't naman sabihin po? Ito po ay sisipin ko lang.
Pwede ba din?
Ako po ay
Ibaan. Kita na yung Kilyawan signboard. Oh, the farm.
Nag-umpisa lang to yung idea ng Kilyawan during the pandemic. My sisters and I spent the lockdown here during the pandemic. So it was during that time that we thought that it would be nice to share this space with the public and with other families, especially with those with children. Yung ceiling ng cabins nyo, it's made of banik that are woven by women of the island municipality of Kilyawan, also here in Batangas. The steps to the cabins are old narrow wood, mahogany also came from the farm. As much as we can, we really ordered all our materials within Batangas or sa country, no?
Kapag po may nakita tayo, ipapatry ko po sa inyo yung kakausap ko. Ito po yung red. Dadili na wait lang.
Kasi na yan. Picture.
Ito naman po ang bamboo lane or bamboo orchard. Pagpasok po, everyone, feel the fresh air po. Okay po, ito na po yung exciting part. Ito naman po yung yan. Kung makikita niyo po mga white, yun po ay mga mushroom. From trees and plants, now we can move off the tractor and meet our native animals, starting native pigs, native chickens, and few rabbits po. Pwede din niyo pong pakainin aming chicken po.
Agis ka ba?
Po yung buffet table na.
Masakit ba ate pag papatok ka sa kamay?
Damihan niyo po sa.
Damihan para ano? Para hindi maramdaman.
Oo po. Organic din po siya.
Aray ko, dami.
Sige pa.
Patuka mo sa ano? Patuka mo sa kamay.
Sige pa.
Sa kamay, sa kamay.
Sa kamay daw.
Hindi mo dyan, aray. Masakit yung paglalaki.
Roll ka na pala. Ano yan?
Brahman.
Brahman. Okay. Hahawakan o ano?
Pwede niyo sa
O, sino gusto sabong? Sabong tayo, sabong. Ito panlaban ko.
Ababit.
Ma'am?
Bali yung eggs po nila hindi masyadong amoy. Dahil po organic yung
Nabunan yun ng ano.
We are crisp, and this is our corn product. This is our corn crispy pata. Okay, the reason why we call it corn crispy pata is because we treat it like corned beef. The inside, if you can see, some people think it's raw, but it's actually no, it's not. It's brine, and it resembles the texture of corned beef.
Video ang sa handog na yun. Naubos na yung sa ano ko. Beautiful ladies. Daming milk.
Everyone, so each one of them will create their own parol that you can bring home. Anything from here, anything around the resort, they can make use of.
Mag-start po tayo. Nagagawa po tayo ng star. Ibibigay ko po sa inyo yung mga bamboo na gagamitin po. Bawat isa po, meron po tayong 5 stick ng star po.
Wala yung hali.